Right now we are at SureTech, and right now with me is Mr. Sunil Nevatia, the chairman of the company. Sir, which are the products that you are showcasing in BC India?
See, we are showcasing the pile breaker because our primary focus is on foundation engineering solutions, and the equipments are too big to be showcased, in indoors. So the product showcase here is only a pile breaker.
So can you brief us about your entire operation in India? Which are the products that you are bringing in India, and how it's catering the infrastructure industry and engineering industry?
See, we have been, first movers, and we have introduced lots of equipment for the first time. That includes vibratory hammers. Impact hammers were already there, but before we got into impact hammers, the technology was not very prominently prevalent in India. So we have made a mark in that technology. Now we have got steel worker, which is for pressing sheet piles, and this is the largest steel worker in the world, which has been sold in India. Then we have gotten reverse circulation drills. The reverse circulation drill also is the largest reverse circulation drill in the world, which is currently in India. We have brought in the cast in situ driven piling rig. This is again the first rig of such nature which has been brought into India. So we are pioneering lots of innovative and modern technologies in foundation engineering.
Okay, so you are dealing with multiple players, international players. So can you name us which are the
So we are representing ICE for vibratory hammers. They are world number one in vibratory hammers. We are representing BSP. It's a British company for impact hammers. It's a more than 100-year-old company. We are representing IHC, is again a Dutch company for offshore hammers, impact hammers. And IHC is a very, very big name in dredging equipment. And they are again one of the leading players in the foundation engineering in the world. Then we are representing STA for vibro floats. We are representing TAS for pile breakers. We are representing Daman for dredging systems and dredgers. And we are representing Tabe for excavator attachments. And of course we are the dealers for Kobelco in the Western India.
So there is a big correlation between Indian infrastructure industry and the kind of products you are offering in the market. However, the last 1 year was a bit shady for the Indian construction industry and infrastructure industry. So how it's affected your overall business?
You see, I think there is nobody who has been left unaffected or untouched by last year. So we of course have been hit very severely, and more so because we are a very niche player. And this niche space is which was, I would say, was the worst hit. For if you have a general equipment like excavators and backhoe loaders, they keep selling, maybe in lesser numbers. But when you are into niche products, the overall quantity itself is not much. And then if the market gets bad, then this quantity can very, very easily dwindle down to zero. So you see, foundation engineering has never been a focus area for the Indian construction community. Foundation was mostly being done by tripods and manual equipment. That was what was hurting the speed of the projects. So what we are now getting in is getting in the latest technology, which is affecting the overall speed of the project execution. Because foundation is the first thing that you need to do to build bridges, flyovers. So if your speed in building up the foundation itself is slow, then the execution of the entire project can be very, very slow. And today the key is the timely execution and implementation of projects. And you would surely be aware that most of our projects are inordinately delayed, and there are huge project cost overruns. That is what is then affecting the toll that you are paying to cross the bridges. So I am pretty optimistic. If the industry takes to these technologies, we could start implementing our projects on time.
So any new product in the market?
2013, I do not envisage any new products because I don't see much of a revival. I don't see much of a revival because these large projects it takes at least 6 to 8 months after the decision making process is speeded up to get an impact. So now if the government brings in something in this budget, then we can expect something to start moving around the last quarter of this year. So this year is as good as gone. And then we have elections in 2014.
So how
So
then with the budget 2000 is any hope that
I feel Chidambaram would go little populist. So I don't see much future for the infra industry in this budget.
This product basically it's a pile breaker. It's normally used to break the pile. You can break a pile from 400 up to 1800 dia. We have got two model. One can break from 400 to 750 mm. Another model is a bigger size which can break from 750 up to 1800 mm. Depending upon your pile size, you can break. It takes a bite of maximum 250 mm and it can cut in one stroke. And within 15 minutes you can break up to 1 meter. So, yeah. So this is the very useful for if you have to break a number of piles.